Morning, everybody. We slept great last night. We're already up and out of the room. We are headed to the most important place, two of the most important places rather, on the cruise. Cafe Promenade for coffee. And then once we get that, we are headed to brunch to get something to eat to start the day. We'll see you there. We gotta go down 2 floors. Alright, we got our coffees. It's Father's Day, by the way. Justin, say hi.
Hi.
Justin decided to dress as a yellow Skittle today. We'll show you the full outfit later. But we got our Starbucks. And because it's a Freedom class ship here on Liberty, Starbucks is just part of Cafe Promenade. So with the refreshment package, it's included. So I think we're going to be hitting that up a little later after such a short night of sleep. Alright, we are crossing the bridge. Allison loves this bridge. And this morning it's colorful. Yeah. Last time we were on board, this bridge was only blue. It is a crowded and very windy day on the pool deck. I apologize for any wind noise, but we are halfway to Bermuda. The kids are in line to do some archery shooting, which has a pretty long line. We have open seas, not too rough, not too much of the ship, which is nice. Yeah, just looking out here at the water. Very pretty view. Walking around on a busy pool day, trying to get out of the wind, out of the sun, back into the shade a little bit. Really comfortable. We were gonna do archery, but we skipped it. The line was very long and not moving very fast.
Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's get a competition minutes. It's your first contestant, your finish manager, Mauricio. He's
Walked in for a happy Father's Day cake in the Windjammer. We just finished getting dressed out of our bathing suits to come to the Windjammer to get some lunch. Everybody else is getting their food, but we do have a great view here of the sea going by. It's a little warm in here, but I got my drink, nice little watermelon lemonade, and we're going to enjoy some lunch. I don't know what we're going to do for the afternoon, but it's been a busy morning so far. It's been very good on the sea day. And here is our view from the 8th floor interior promenade view on Liberty of the Seas. We are right above the general store. And if we turn this way, we can see Cafe Promenade on the left. And going back the other way, slowly, that is Hoof and Claw across the way there, down to our right. It's about as far as we can see. And you looking good? You like that?
Yeah.
You look what?
I don't know.
What's
like
that?
this shirt.
Oh, thank you.
There's Panthers on it, guys.
Turn around. There we go. That back. Yeah.
I got it.
We are going to the main dining room. We're going to eat dinner. So now we're gonna ride the elevator. That 3 is the dining room.
You have the same shoes on. Same brand, same size, same everything.
I wonder what table we're gonna be at. So last night we at Giovanoli's specialty restaurant.
Giovanni's.
Giovanni's.
Giovanni will be here like
How much usually?
What about yourself, buddy?
You want one by yourself?
Yeah, don't be shy. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, nice. Thank you. And one for you? There we go. 1, 2. Perfect, guys. We'd like to do one all together.
It is now dinner time on formal night. We got a table right by the window. Look out, the wonderful view. Hi, hon.
Hi.
This is such a wonderful, wonderful view. So, Allison, how's the trip?
It's fun.
Is it? Are you having a good time?
Yeah. Look at my bracelet, guys.
That is the charm bracelet. They get you for $10 up front, but then you get a few charms free. It's very pretty.
Somebody must have complained about the sun.
Finished dinner in the upstairs dining room. Justin! Look right there, what's on the floor? Look right there, what's on the floor?
Duck.
Look at the 5th floor dining room. We just finished dinner. There's the beautiful chandelier. We found a duck, we got the picture. Alright, it is dress your best night, so everyone is dressed up. We went with more casual look, but that's okay. And we are making our way now to the Platinum Theater to try to catch a show. Not sure we're gonna make it on time though. So we'll see. We're not that far. Cool. Right, we are now headed downstairs and towards the Platinum Theater entrance. We can try to go to that show. See if we can get any seats. There's the Schooner Bar straight ahead.
Well,
So here we are at the silent disco party. This is the family disco. This is the last of the recordings for the night. We put the camera away and just enjoyed the ship after this. So hopefully you like this video and tune in for day 3. This was a very fun sea day, and tomorrow morning we dock in Bermuda bright and early.